Then AP A is equal to 5, B is equal to 3, AN is equal to 50. Then find AN and SN here. Therefore, we know that AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into DR. Then AN is a 50, they already given here. And A value is a 5 plus N minus 1 into D value is a 3 here. Take a 5 left hand side here. 50 minus of 5 is equal to N minus 1 into 3 here. Then 50 minus 5 is a 45. That is equal to N minus 1 into 3. Take a 3 left hand side here. Hence 45 divided by 3 is equal to N minus of 1 here. 45 divided by 3 here. Then 3 ones are 3. Then 15. 3 5s are 15 is equal to N minus 1 here. Take minus 1 left hand side here. 15 plus 1 is equal to N here. 15 plus 1 is 16. Hence N is equal to 16 here. N is equal to 16. Next to find here Sn. So Sn is equal to the formula N divided by 2 into bracket 2A plus N minus 1 into dr. Therefore, this is equal to here N is 16 here. Okay. So N is 16 divided by 2 into A value is 5 here. So 2 into 5 plus again N is 16 here. 16 minus 1 and D value is 3 here. So it is 3. Then 16 divided by 2 becomes 8 here. Then 5 2s are 10. Then plus here 16 minus 1 is 15. 15 into 3 here. Therefore, this is equal to 8 into bracket 10 plus 15 3s are. So 45 here. Then 45 plus 10 gives 55. 8 into 55. Then 55 into 8 here. So 440. Therefore, sum of 16 terms here. N is 16 here. Sum of 16 term is 440 here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ 16 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವೆ. n equal to 16 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಪ್ಪಳು 16 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವೆ. ಆ 16 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮೊತ್ತ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತದೆ 440 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, in an AP A is equal to 7, A 13 is equal to 35 and find B and S 13. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪದ 7 ಇದೆ, 13ನೇ ಪದ 13th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು 35 ಇದೆ 35. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, S 13, 13 ಪದಗಳ ಮೊತ್ತ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into dr. Here A13 they given means N value 13 here. So A13. Then A value 7. So it is 7 plus N is 13 here. 13 minus 1 and D we don't know. So write D as it is here. Then A13 value is 35 here. So write here 35. Take a 7 left side here minus of 7. 13 minus 1 becomes a 12 into dr. Then 37 minus 7. 28 here is equal to 12 into dr. Okay. 28 divided by 12 is equal to dr. 28 divided by 12. Then 4 sevens are 4 threes are 12. So D is equal to 7 upon 3. Therefore D is equal to 7 upon 3. सामान्य व्यत्यास एष्टिದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7 divided by 3 ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. Next find S13. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into df. So S13 means n value 13 here. So 13 divided by 2 into then 2 into a value 7 here. So a value is 7. Then plus 13 minus 1. So 13 minus 1 into d is 7 upon 3 here. So 7 divided by 3. Therefore this is equal to 13 divided by 2 into bracket 7 2s are 14 here. So right here 14 plus 13 minus 1 is 12 into 7 divided by 3. 7 divided by 3. Therefore this is equal to 13 divided by 2 into 14 plus 3 1s are 3 4s are cancelled, 7 4s are 28 here. Then 14 plus 28 13 divided by 2 into so 14 plus 28 is 42. 42 divided by 2 21. 21 into 13 becomes 273. Okay. 13 ಪದಗಳ ಮೊತ್ತ 273 ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. The first term of an AP is 5. First term ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪದ ಅಂತ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. A is equal to 5. The last term is 45. L is equal to 45. Even you can take A also. And sum is 400 here. Okay. So Sn is equal to 400. Find the number of terms. Means n is equal to what here? Number of terms. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪದಗಳಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ. And the common difference B is equal to what? N is equal to and D is equal to. Find it here. Okay. In this case, we know that. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket a plus L. Okay. Sn is 400 here. Then n divided by 2 into bracket a value is 5 plus L is 45. Therefore 400 is equal to n divided by 2 into 45 plus 5 becomes 50. Is 50. Then the 2 ones are 2 25s are cancels here. So 400 take a 25 this side here divided by 25 that is equal to n here. Then divide 400 by 25. Therefore n is equal to 16 here. The value of n is 16. Number of terms ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಟ್ಟು 16 ಪದಗಳಾದ ಅಂತ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. Number of terms ಅಂದಾಗ n value 16 ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. Then find the common difference here. Okay. Again we know that L is equal to A plus n minus 1 into dn. Here L is 45. So write here 45 is equal to A value 5. Then plus n is 16 here. 16 minus 1 into dn. Take a 5 left hand side here. 45 minus of 5. 16 minus 1 is a 15 into ds. 45 minus 5 is a 40 divided by this 15 is equal to df. Then 5 8 is a 5 3 is a. Hence d is equal to 8 divided by 3. Okay, 5 8 is a 5 is a 40, 5 3 is a 15 here. So d is equal to 8 upon 4. So find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which d is equal to 7. 22nd term is 149 here. Okay. Therefore d is equal to 7. They are already given here. 22nd term is 822 is equal to 149. Then we find sum of first 22 terms here. S of 22 is equal to what is? Okay. So we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into dn. Here n is 22, here a 22. A value we don't know here. N is 22 here, 22 minus 1, and d is 7 here. So write here 7. Then a22 is 149, so write here 149. A plus 22 minus 1, 21 here. 21 into 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So 147 here. Then I'll take 147 left side here. 149 minus of 147 is equal to a. Therefore, a is equal to 149 minus 147 is a 2 here. Hence, first term is a 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪದ ಎರಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ a is equal to 2 ಅಂತ. ಇನ್ನು S22 ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈಗ. We know that S of n is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into ds. So S22 here. Find S22 means n is 22 here. 22 divided by 2 into, and a value is a 2 here. 2 into this 2 plus n is a 22 here. 22 minus 1, and d value is a 7 here. So write here 7. Okay, that's 22 means n value 7, 22 here. n value 22 ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. a value 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು. a value 2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, n value 22 minus 1, d value 7 ಇದೆ. Then 22 by 2 gives 11. 2 into 2 becomes a 4 plus 22 minus 1, 21 into 7 here, 147. Therefore, this is equal to 11 into 147 plus 4. 147 plus 4. 151 here. 151. 151 into 11 here. So multiply here. 151 here. 1661 here. Means 1661 here. Yes, 22. 22 ಪದಗಳ ಮೊತ್ತ 1661 ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. So how many terms of the AP? 24, 21, 18 dash 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 must be taken so that the sum is 78. How many terms of the AP ಅಂದ್ರೆ n ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಂತ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅದಾವ ಅಂತ AP ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಒಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೊತ್ತ 78 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೊತ್ತ 78 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪದಗಳದಾವ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Therefore, here a is equal to 24. First term is 24 here. A value is 24. and a common difference here. Second term minus first term. 21 minus 24 here. Here this is a smaller number and this is a bigger number here. One is a positive, the other one is a negative. One positive is another negative is minus product. Minus ಮಾಡಿ bigger in the bigger ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಿಂದ ಏನಿದೆ ಸೈನ್ ಆ ಸೈನ್ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು minus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 21 minus 24 gives a minus 3. Then Sn is equal to 78, they already given here. ಮೊತ್ತ 78 ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪದಗಳನ್ನವೆ ಕೇಳ್ತದೆ. n equal to what is. Therefore here Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into dn. Here Sn is 78, so write as 78 is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2 into a value is this 24, so write here 2 into 24. Okay, then plus n minus 1 into d value is a minus of 3, so write here minus of 3. Okay, now take this 2 this side cross multiply, so 78 into 2 is equal to n into 24 into 2 is 48. This is a 48. N into minus 3 is a minus of 3n here. Minus 1 into minus 3 is a plus 3. Okay, 24 into 2 48. N into minus 3 minus 3n. Minus 1 into minus 3 becomes a plus 3. Therefore 78 into 2 156. Then n into bracket, so 48 plus 3 is a 51 n minus of 3n minus of 3n. Then take this n inside the bracket here. 156 is equal to n into 51 51n. N into 3n is a minus of 3n square. Take both term left side here, minus 3n square becomes a plus 3n square minus of 51n plus 156 plus 156 is equal to 0. ಇದನ್ನ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3n ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 51n ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 51n. ಇದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 156 equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. So this is a quadratic equation. ವರ್ಗ ಸಮೀಕರಣ. quadratic equation ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಗ ಸಮೀಕರಣ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ 3 ರಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. You can divide the whole equation by 3. Therefore n square minus of 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. Then plus here, then 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6 is equal to 0. Just dividing both sides by 3. ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ 3 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 3 3 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. n ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 51 upon 3 17 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 156 upon 3 52 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಗ ಸಮೀಕರಣ ಇದೆ. So product of two numbers should be 52. Sum of two numbers should be minus 17. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ನೀವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಗುಣಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 52 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಆಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ minus 17 ಬರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ 13 and 4 minus 13 minus 4 ಹೌದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ minus 13 into minus 4 is equal to 52. Minus of 13 minus of 4 is equal to minus 74. Okay, therefore n square minus of 13n minus of 4n plus 52 is equal to 0. N square minus 17n can be written as minus 13n minus 4n and plus 52 keep as it is here. Here n common factor from these two terms, n is the common here, n minus of 13, and here minus 4 is the common factor here, minus 4 common, then n minus of 13 is equal to 0. N into n become n square, n into minus 13n, minus 4 into n minus 4n here, minus into minus plus 4 into 13 gives 52. Here n minus 13, here also n minus 13. So n minus 13 common factor. It is n minus 13 common agata. In the other term is the n minus 4. N minus 4. Right in the another bracket here. Therefore, n minus 13 equal to 0. N minus 13 is equal to 0, as well as n minus 4 is equal to 0 here. N minus 4 is equal to 0. Hence n is equal to 13 as well as n is equal to 4. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಪಿ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಎಪಿ ಒಳಗೆ 4 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 78 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗೇನೆ 13 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು 78 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, n equal to 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 78 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗೇನೆ 13th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ 13 ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸಹಿತ 78 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, n equal to 13 ಮತ್ತೆ n equal to 4 ಎರಡು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, if n is equal to 3 plus 4n, then find the sum of first 15 terms of an AB. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ n is equal to 3 plus 4n ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲ 15 ಪದಗಳ ಮೊತ್ತ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಮೊದಲ 15 ಪದಗಳ ಮೊತ್ತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 15 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ an AB. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 2 3 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ n is equal to 1 here, n equal to 1, so a1 plus a1 is equal to here, not plus, a1 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 4 into 1 here. Therefore this is equal to 3 plus 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 3 becomes 7. A1 equal to 7. When n is equal to 2, when n is equal to 2 here, put n value 2 here, so a2 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 2 here. Then 3 plus 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 becomes 11. When n is equal to 3 here, so a3 3 plus 4 into 3 here, 3 plus 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 becomes 15. Okay, and so on. ಹೀಗೆ ನೀವು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಂತ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. therefore 7 11 15 dash 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 7 then 11 15 dash 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 are in AP. ಈ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮಾಂತರ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 11 minus 7 for 15 minus 11 4, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 4. ಅವುಗಳ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ 4 ಇದೆ. ಅವುಗಳ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಸಮವಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವೇನಂತೇವೆ, ಸಮಾಂತರ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಇಫ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್, then the numbers are in AP. Okay, therefore a is equal to 7. First term a value 7. common difference 11 minus 7 here. 11 minus 7 is a 4. Common difference is a 4. And here find first here 15 terms. Sum of first 15 terms means n is equal to 15 here. So therefore yes 15 is equal to what is. Then we know that ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಿದೆ Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2e plus n minus 1 into dn. This is the formula. Therefore n value is 15 here. So 15 divided by 2 into then 2 into a value is 7. So right here 7 then plus n value is 15 here. So 15 minus 1 d is 4. So right here 4. Therefore this is equal to 15 divided by 2 into 7 2s are 14 here. So right here 14 plus. Then the 15 minus 1 is 14 here. So 14 into 4. 14 into 4. Therefore this is equal to 15 divided by 2 here. We can take a 14 common factor here. So 14 is the common factor. Then remaining here 1 and here the remaining term is 4 here. 1 plus 4. Then 2 1s are 2 7s are 14. Therefore 15 into 7 into 4 plus 1 becomes 5. Then 15 into 7 5s are 35. 15 into 35. So 15 into 35. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5 plus 2 gives us 7. 5 these are 15. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 becomes 4. So right here 5. 7 plus 5 is 12 here. Then 5. 525. 525. Sum of first 15 terms here. Yes, 15 is equal to 525.